guys, I'm here with my lovely patient. We're both pregnant. Right here. Okay, so she noticed that after pregnancy her snoring got worse. And that happens because of weight gain, it happens because of hormones. And this is where our friend comes in, the Solea laser. Her husband has noticed improvement, but she's still getting a little bit of that. So we are going on our third session of the Solea laser to help with it, but it's definitely improved. Especially with weight gain being so up and down with pregnancy. So certainly at the end, it's like a lot more. You may want to do a snore guard as an additive, and then once you're done having your baby, you go back to hitting the gym, your weight goes down, we may shoot you again with Solea laser, and you probably will just toss away the snore guard, but for the most part, Solea laser should take care of 90% of the snoring issue, but for the residual little kind of crowing that you could do with snoring, you could use a snore guard to help with that.